what a story that Chris has, and we've kind of partnered up here through Lindsay Enderly, and she and Allie are the one that introduced me to Chris, and I'm so glad. Would you please
Sure.
first of all welcome my friend, Chris.
Thank you. Thank you, Matt. Great service today. Great music, great singing, everybody. And Christ is definitely great himself. He delivered me from a life of pain and brokenness, drugs, alcohol. 15 plus years I used, sold drugs, did everything I could. I was just a mess. But I surrendered, gave it up. July 17, 2014. I've been off drugs since. And last year I started a foundation, Rockstar Recovery, rockstarrecovery.org. It's also on Facebook, and we have helped hundreds of people into rehab since. And nobody's too far gone to turn it back around and surrender and give it up. You know, just look at the 12 disciples. They weren't perfect. They murdered, they did all kinds of things, but once they were saved, redeemed, they lived for Him. And that's what it's all about. So I'm just grateful and thankful that I'm able to spread His message today and live for Him. He does get all the glory because He forgives our wretched souls. You know, we're sinners. We're never going to be perfect. Jesus was the only one that could resist temptation from Satan. We aren't that powerful, but we do get to lean back on Him when we don't, when we fall short. We're not going to be perfect. So we are worthy of it. And God is great. Thank you all.
Chris, tell us.
Oh, about the meetings, for sure.
Well, tell us how many's in your network.
Well, we have 8,500 people in Rockstar Recovery on Facebook. It started with 3 of us a little over a year ago, and I lost 3 of my friends within a month and a half to heroin, and it's now the leading cause of death in America. Has surpassed car wrecks, guns, everything. It's the leading cause of death overall in Butler County, in the county I live in. 50 more people died from overdose deaths last year than even natural causes. That's just ridiculous. So we spread awareness. We need to talk to the youth. You need to tell your kids about it. Rockstarrecovery.org. There's all kinds of good stuff on there if you want to guide people to that. My phone number's on there if anybody ever needs help getting into treatment or just counseled or find a meeting. We do our own meetings here. Pastor Matt's been so gracious to allow us to have meetings in the building across the street, Fridays at 7:30, and then tomorrow night, Monday at 7 o'clock. Family members are welcome to attend too. Usually about half the time, half the people are family members, because it affects everyone.